Hello guys, review tablet Realme Pad Mini. This version 4GB RAM and 64GB internal memory. In complementation we have only adapter for charging with quick charge and Type-C cable, standard for planchette for tablet complementation. Okay, open, close this. Okay, we have middle body, camera 8 megapixels, main camera, front camera 5 megapixels, 8.7-inch display, is this HD display, IPS HD display. On this side power key and warm keys, downside Type-C port, speaker, microphone, upside headphone jack and second speaker. On this side slot for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Open and open settings. About tablet we have Android 11, Realme interface Air Edition. Close this. Geekbench 5 GPU test results and CPU test results. We have CPU Unisoc Tiger T616 and GPU Mali G57. Under the benchmark we have good results. Okay, and now I show you the money game GTA San Andreas. GTA San Andreas on the medium graphic level works perfect. Okay, close this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.